Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In my last video, I've shown you how to prepare collard greens to make caldo verde, a traditional Portuguese soup. Today, I'm bringing you another very popular Portuguese recipe called Pataniscas, which traditionally are made with cod, onion, flour and eggs. Here, however, I'm making a vegan variation of this popular snack where you use the collard green stems, Mediterranean herbs and gram flour. You can also use cauliflower stems or broccoli stalks to make these delicious fritters and serve them with a mixed green salad. First, boil a medium saucepan with water and add a little salt. In the meantime, prepare the collard green stems. After washing them, split the tougher ones lengthwise and chop them into small bits. Once the water is boiling, carefully put it in the pan and bring to the boil again. Simmer for 2 or 3 minutes, then drain and set aside. Also prepare the other ingredients. Cut in the seed pepper and then chop into small bits. And finally, peel a small onion and a small potato and coarsely grate both. In a large mixing bowl, sift the gram flour and add the garlic powder, rosemary, marjoram, oregano, parsley, cayenne pepper and salt. And with a whisk, combine well all the ingredients. Add the water and mix well until you have a smooth batter. Finally, add the grated onion, potato, pepper, olives, and the collard green stems to the batter and mix everything well. Now, heat enough oil to cover the base of a large non-stick frying pan. When hot, add 1 heaped tablespoon of the batter for each fritter, flatten them slightly with the back of the spoon, and fry for a couple of minutes until golden. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan so that the fritters don't stick together. Carefully flip them with the help of 2 turners and fry for another few minutes until golden and cooked all the way through. Carefully remove the fritters from the pan into a plate with 2 or 3 layers of kitchen paper to drain. Continue cooking the fritters in batches until no batter remains. And that's it. This recipe is really that easy to make and it's great for sharing and to dip into your favorite sauces. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.